Hello and welcome back to the Helmet Head channel. Now we've all got GoPros. We use them to vlog, we use them to capture our ride, we use them for our day-to-day cameras. But the thing about GoPro, and even they knew it, when they released the 9, the 10, the 11, even the 12, they had a few issues. So what they did is they then released accessories, overpriced, but trying to fix some of the issues that this GoPro has. But a clever brand called TELESIN have released exactly what GoPro have released, but better and better priced. So this is my ultimate guide to the best accessories for your GoPro. So let's start with the first big product that's a game changer for GoPros, because when they released the GoPro 9 and the GoPro 10, they gave you these blue batteries, and the blue batteries, well, these kept freezing right when you wanted them to, not switching on and resetting. And GoPro went, oh, this isn't working. And trust me, the press for that was really bad. So they released a thing, what they like to call the snow batteries, that works from a certain temperature to a certain high temperature, meaning that your camera wouldn't cut out. And they basically took the standard battery and then they made wizardry happen, and they managed to make this, the snow battery, the white battery, that stopped this from freezing and being absolutely rubbish. But of course, they put the GoPro premium price on it. So what TELESIN did is they took all that wizardry that GoPro did and made their version, and this is the TELESIN 12, basically better than the GoPro white battery, at least in my opinion, and cheaper. So we're going to test this out today on the channel. That brings me on to the next problem with the GoPro. Because it likes to eat these batteries, we end up carrying a whole pocket full of the batteries just to be able to capture our shot. And when you run out, you're always going to miss that vital moment. Now there is many charging cases out there, but at last, of course, TELESIN have made the charging case that we're after, because this is a battery bank style case that means that you can literally pop your batteries into this power bank case, and they will charge as you're going. So you can just take a few batteries with you, and every time one gets low, pop it in and grab a charge. That means that when we're out vlogging, no more are we sitting there going, damn, I've run out of batteries, I've run out of charge. We've got the ultimate charging case. And then moving on to the ultimate accessory, because the lens on the GoPro, don't get me wrong, you can go through so many different wideness of lenses, even to super view, that's massive. But what that does is that when you're turning and twisting, riding a bike or catching that shot, it's all over the place and it makes the shot look absolutely rubbish. So what GoPro did is they released a max lens mod, and what that does is it almost maximizes the lens, and you can have it on super stupidly huge wide, but what it does is it improves the stabilization as well, because it means that when you're moving around, it's already cropped in because it's got such a big field of view. It can get the ultimate stabilization shot. But the big thing the max lens mod does is it locks the horizon. That means when you're riding and you're twisting, that stays still and then you're twisting around. That is just game changing. You can literally turn your camera all the way around and it will do nothing because the horizon is locked. Now that accessory is really expensive, and GoPro should have put all these things as standard with the camera as a creator mix or something, but they don't. They just want to charge you and charge you. Well, of course, TELESIN have gone next level and made their own better than the original. So I cannot wait to put this through the test. So let's put all of these accessories through the test with the typical 11 out of 10 review. Let's unbox them, let's set them up, and let's check them out in the real world. So let's jump into it. Let's start with a great unboxing, and the first product is this TELESIN power bank storage charging case for your GoPro batteries. And the first thing you'll find on opening the box is this user manual that's got clear and easy to understand instructions. The power bank charging case feels premium quality in the hand. It has a 10,000 milliamp built-in battery to charge all of those GoPro batteries. Underneath the cover on the side is a Type-C and USB port. The charging case can take up to 2 batteries at one time, charging both of them simultaneously. It also comes with these 2 GoPro 8 battery card holders, so you can fit even the older batteries in. It also has this nice long USB-C cable for charging. And that's everything you'll find inside the box. Moving on to the TELESIN battery. This battery has 1720 milliamp hours. It can run a 4K quality footage for 45 minutes. That's a big improvement on the standard GoPro white battery. Before use, make sure you give it a full charge by popping it into your power bank charging case. As you'll see, the charging case will illuminate red, and once it's charged, it will go green and you're good to go. Next up is the TELESIN aluminium alley frame max lens mod. This will fit the GoPro 9, 10, 11 and 12. It comes in a nice silicone protective case, making sure that there's no risk to scratching your max lens mod when it's out and about. The quality of the lens feels extremely premium, and that's everything you'll find inside the box. So let's move on to installing the max lens mod. To remove the original GoPro lens, simply twist anti-clockwise and it will pop off. Take your max lens mod, pop that on to your GoPro camera and twist clockwise for it to lock into place. And doesn't it look super impressive on your GoPro camera? It's got that real premium look and quality to it that you're going to be super impressed. The one last thing you need to do is switch on your GoPro, go to settings and enable max lens mod. And with that enabled, you can now select horizon lock, and you can also adjust the wideness of the lens from standard to max super view. So this is with the max lens mod on now, and you can see already it's almost like the wider view that you get on the standard lens. But what I was talking about earlier using this max lens mod is that better stabilization, and I've got a way of showing you exactly how good the stabilization is with the max lens mod. And that's simply giving it to my 9-year-old daughter to run with and see exactly how it does. So this is Rose, and she is going to run. We're going to slow it down and we're going to show you exactly how good the stabilization is using this max lens mod. So what I want you to do is hold the camera out like this and just run, okay? Go. Now that scene was filmed just in the normal standard view, but this is the max super view. So let's try it so you can see how far you can open up as you're running. Now that is ridiculously wide, meaning that you'll capture everything around you. But how about the horizon lock? Let's see how good that is. So with horizon lock set on the camera, if I now turn the camera like this, you should see that it stays with the horizon absolutely perfectly level. Now if I now turn it off, horizon lock, and with it switched off, now when I turn it, this is what you're gonna get. Well, as you can see, how awesome that is. So let's check it out in max super view mode.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine.
Now it's time for the more action shot on the motorcycle, but during that entire time filming, what I ended up doing was using the standard white GoPro battery, and guess what? It's at that dreaded 20% that, you know, next time you hit record, you're gonna get that awful beep and it's shutting down saying low battery. But what I did was pop the TELESIN 12 battery into the charging case, and now it's fully charged. So I can pop this dead battery out, pop the TELESIN 12 battery in, this will charge, and then I'll have the ultimate power. Better battery as well, better battery life. Now with the battery swapped over, my dead battery already charging away in the charge bank means that it's time. It's time to capture the ultimate action shot on this beautiful Africa Twin. Well, I'm sure you'll agree with me that these TELESIN accessories seriously unlock so much more with the GoPro and make life just that much better. I generally recommend picking yourself up your power bank charger because that is seriously next level. Not just that, these TELESIN 12 batteries, grab yourself 3 of them, you can keep 2 charging, 1 in your camera, swap it over and just keep going all day. And of course this max lens mod, unlocking those features, making your footage so much better. Literally the ultimate footage that you're trying to capture. Now if you want to pick any of these up or all of these up, every link that you need is down in the description, so you can just go down there, click on it and find yours today. And of course any latest discount code is down there as well. Now if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a nice cheeky comment about which one you've bought and how you're getting on. And of course if you haven't and there's somebody that might be interested in one of these accessories, share this video with them so they get to see it and they get to make their own mind up about how awesome these products are. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything here in the tech space. And I will see you in the next Helmet Head adventure here on this channel. Take care and goodbye for now.